Hey guys, welcome to Ayana's DIY Corner. My name is Ayana and today's video is going to be nice and quick. I'm going to share with you guys a hack to deepen those pockets. Let's go. So I recently purchased this jeans and I really love it. Like, I love how loose it is everywhere. Loose by the waist, loose by the legs. I just love the looseness of it, and I love my distress underneath the knees. What I don't love about this jeans is the pockets. Like, what is fitting in here? Coins? Because I don't know. Like, what is this? What is? I'm not gonna say it. Like, what is happening here? What is that? Come on. Pockets are meant to securely hold things in place. Okay, this, I'm not doing a quick draw. So that is a no-no for me. So I'm going to show you a hack on how you can deepen these pockets. And I think they really work best, especially when you have these nice loose jeans. Like, you need some nice deep pockets. This is ridiculous. So let's get into it. So this is what the extended pocket is gonna look like. This extension is gonna give the pocket a nice deep access now. All right. To get this, what you need to have is a pair of scissors, some scrap fabric. Now, I always say, if clothing hacks is not one of your DIYs, but you would really love to do this hack to probably some of your clothing, it doesn't necessarily have to be a pair of jeans. I always recommend you get yourself about 2 yards of the cheapest cotton fabric you can find, and just always have that lying around for any type of clothing hack that requires a little bit of extra fabric to execute. And what you want to do is you want to take your scissors and you want to cut open your pocket. To do that, you just put a little snip, take your scissors, insert it into the snip, and you just cut open the pocket. Once you have the pocket cut open, you're going to take your scissors again and just give a small snip on the side, this outside seam here of the pocket itself. You want to just cut it down or cut it open just a bit. Once you have that done, what you want to do is simply fold your scrap fabric or your cotton piece of fabric in half and just fold it until you get the required length needed to extend on your pockets. So for instance, for me, it's going to be about this right here. So I'm just gonna cut this right here. This is gonna be good. I'm gonna give it a little extra inch to play with. Okay, so I'm gonna just lay that there. Now this is obviously too long of a pocket. So I'm just going to measure this off because I want my pockets to be basically the same length. So that's about it there. And again, I'm going to go down about an inch to give myself enough room. All right, so here it is. This is gonna be my extended pocket right here. Yes, I know it looks a bit crooked. My cutting was off. But you make sure you're getting a nice straight line. And what I'm going to do, all right, is I like to start off from the pocket corner and start attaching. So I'm just going to place this. It's like right side facing right side. I'm going to use pins instead of clips so you guys could see what's happening, right? And I'm just going to pin all the way around until I reach the other end. Once you have everything pinned all the way around, you can either go in with some needle and thread and hand sew this in place, or you can go to your sewing machine, or you can use glue and stick this in place. I would recommend a very strong, reliable glue, because remember, this is clothing that you will be washing often, so you don't want that glue to be, you know, falling apart at any point in time or giving way at any point in time. So once you have that area stitched or glued shut, you're going to fold it over like this. All right, let me just fix that area. Right, you're going to fold it over like this, and as you can see, your pocket has basically already formed. And what you're going to do now, because I know I have a lot of excess here, I'm just gonna take my scissor and snippity snip snip, snippity snip snip that off. And what I'm going to do is fold in my raw edges like this, and I'm gonna go in with a nice zigzag stitch, right? Remembering to go up a bit because I snipped open the side on the top of the pocket here. And I'm gonna do a nice zigzag stitch and seal off the side here. Okay, I'm gonna seal off the side here, and I'm gonna fold the bottom and seal off this side here as well, and that's it. The pocket extension will be complete. Alright guys, and there you have it, a quick and easy hack for you to extend and deepen those pockets. It could be in a jeans, a dress, a skirt, it doesn't matter. It's a quick and easy hack for you to deepen those pockets and make them a little more secure for your items. So if you're wondering if I deepened my pockets, yes I did. Alright, so now I can place my phone into my pocket, nice and secure. I can even put my hand in and pose, pose, pose. Alright guys, so I hope you find this very helpful, and until next time, deuces.